Hey, Felicia Townsend coming at you today with a quick video about how to make money on Clickbank. I've done so many of these videos, but it used to be harder. It's now easier. You can make money on Clickbank in a lot less time. And actually, I've broken it down to like 7 day challenge. So if you are interested in learning um, more of what I'm gonna just do an overview. But if you're interested in learning more, then you definitely want to opt in. I'm gonna put a link below this video or I'll put them somewhere around this video, and you can take my 7 day challenge to making money on Clickbank. But let me just show you how easy it is. Okay, so I'm on Clickbank, the marketplace, where it has a ton of digital products. Many of them are very successful. And I have this one here that I have a funnel already built out. It's called the 15-minute manifestation. You make about $50 per sale. Okay. This is a highly converting product. It's got your affiliate page. So actually, if I click here and go into the affiliate page, then it gives you a ton of things you can do that you can offer. Look at there. Look at all these amazing products. Wow. Affiliate tools. I'm gonna click on that, but let me see 15-minute weight loss. Oh, even weight loss. So if you're into weight loss and you're doing, they even have Spanish offers, but you're doing um weight loss. I mean, they have offers for you too as well. So this is pretty crazy. So if you click on affiliate tools, I'm pretty sure they have like swipes, images, um, pure natural manifestation. This is awesome. 75%. So get ready and help transform the destinies of people enrolled in as much as $123 a day in commissions for each sale from the front end. So only thing you have to do is put your name, your email, if you want to get your affiliate tools, and yeah, and then they would send you that via email. Point is, when you send people to your 15-minute manifestation and they opt into your list, then you're building your list. So not only will you make sales on Clickbank, but you're also building your list and you can promote other offers. I mean, you just saw on their page where they have a ton of different um, affiliate offers. Yeah, so I don't know. Let's see here. Look at all these things. I mean, God frequency, the happiness code. Um, I mean, they have you just get your tools and they have ad swipes and email swipes, stuff like that, keywords that you're going to need to promote this. Check this out. This is their sales video. This is when people opt in. Actually, let me show you what I'm going to give you. So I'm gonna give you an already done landing page. It's gonna, I'm gonna give you. It could look like that. It could look like this. Basically, you're giving people a free tripwire, free offer to a free gift to actually opt in your email list, and your email autoresponder is already included in this. So you don't have to go out and pay 20, $30 for Aweber or GetResponse or whoever else is selling email software. It's already built into your funnel here. So you're going to build your list, and then you're going to be able to offer other products through our email swipes that you can get access to. Okay, so the only thing that you need to do is to keep making your videos on either YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever, and drive people that are already listening to your message to this form. They opt in, they become a lead, and they become hopefully a buyer over time because you're going to be sending them consistent emails. And that way you don't have to worry about all these social media marketing platforms keeping your customer or shutting down your account. It's happened to me on YouTube before. I got it back, but I mean, you hear people all the time, TikTok, getting their account shut down, maybe Instagram, maybe, whatever. You don't have to worry about that when you have all your followers who have chosen to be on your email list. They will follow you wherever you go. All right. So, yeah, this is how you make money on Clickbank with, and as I was telling you, we have a ton of, other offers on Clickbank in case you're not into the manifestation niche. But these are just some of our our landing pages for the 15-minute manifestation. So you get in here, you just click on preview, and it'll pop up in another window, another tab. Um, yeah. I mean, how cool is that? You know, and video sells like crazy. So maybe you want to use this landing page. So watch full video, and guess what happens? They want to watch it. Boom, they got to put their email address in. I mean, that's a and these landing pages are made to convert, and you're going to get people on your email list. So if you're out there making motivational videos and you're not capturing leads, you're leaving money on the table. So go ahead and click this link below this video, and I will give you as a free gift the 6 pillars to success as an affiliate, and show you. I will send you actually emails and showing you how I do all of this and how you can do it too, starting today. All right, so I hope this video has been helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, I'm signing off. Goodbye for now.